Wow. So for this standard, I actually met this in so many different ways to maintain and manage a variety of digital tools and resources for teacher and student use in technology rich learning environments. The first one that comes to mind is probably my Facebook group for this class. We worked on so many different things for this group, and we had some great conversations. We would post on our professors. He would make one post, and we would all kind of post and comment. And we were able to give each other feedback, come up with different ideas. It was neat to see what everyone else was thinking. They would share resources, which were helpful. So, this specific example is on the coaching cycle, which we talked about on a Zoom call, which is another technology that we used. And then all posted about the coaching cycle, and it was neat to see everyone's perspective on it as well as get comments back about what we posted. So that was one thing that was really, really great. Another thing we did was using Google Forms to create technology support requests. We used YouTube for all sorts of things. I have been uploading so many videos for this class. I had honestly no idea how to upload to YouTube and embed a video. All of these things are different types of technology uses that I've learned through this semester, which I know for a fact will be beneficial moving forward. Even if I stay in a teacher role, being able to know how to upload a video or embed a video and to be able to pass that knowledge on to my students is huge, especially if I go into some type of coaching or instructional technology role at the school. This will be standard, everyday thing that I will need to know how to do. So that's great. We also used Twitter and ISTE Connect, which is another website um, that you can use to look at a professional learning community. This website had a bunch of PLCs on it that you could join and come up with discussions or join discussions. They have all sorts. There's the same type thing on Twitter. You can look up different hashtags, which was really interesting and really neat. Of course, we used Blackboard, which is an online tool as well. And these can be applied pretty much to any educational setting that I can think of, especially the PLCs, whether it's ISTE Connect or Twitter. That was not something that I had spent a lot of time doing, but it was actually neat to connect with other educators, not only from my state and country, but some of the discussions I had were with people from Australia, so globally, as well as using Google Forms and Google Drive. And then, even Facebook, which I normally just post pictures of my family and friends and keep up with people that I went to school with. But to use it as a portfolio for work or for a group of people who are collaborating was really neat to see and something that I would love to do moving forward in whatever education role that I take on.